Understanding overruled in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term that you might have heard in legal dramas or debates: overruled. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also give you insight into English-speaking legal cultures. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. When someone says, overruled, it typically comes from an authority figure like a judge. It means that the person in charge has decided against a challenge or objection that was presented. In a courtroom, when a lawyer objects to something, the judge might say, overruled, to indicate that the trial will proceed despite the objection. Outside the courtroom, overruled can be used more informally. It's a way of saying that a decision has been made and that any objections or alternate suggestions are not going to be considered. It's important to use this phrase judiciously, as it has a strong, sometimes authoritarian connotation. Let's see how overruled works in different scenarios. In a meeting, if someone suggests an idea and another person says, overruled, it means the second person has the final say, and the idea won't be pursued. In a family setting, a parent might overrule a child's desire to eat candy for dinner in favor of something healthier. Understanding the phrase, overruled, can add an interesting layer to your English usage, especially when discussing decision-making and authority. Use it wisely, and you'll sound like a language pro. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Stay tuned for more language tips.